Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply choose the Play Store, and here let's tap on this more icon. Now let's choose My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got all updates pending. You can of course update all of them by tapping on this icon, but if you want to update only one of it, nothing easier, simply click on Update right next to it. And as you can see, it immediately appears at the very top of the list, and now the Gmail is downloading and it will be successfully installed and updated. So that's all. This is how to update apps in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.